Attention car buyers. Today we're navigating through the potential pitfalls of car shopping with our guide on 10 cars with red flags. Buckle up as we unveil the warning signs that could save you from a road full of regret. Red flag 1, excessive mileage, a journey that's seen too much. Watch out for cars with unusually high mileage, as it may indicate extensive wear and tear. Red flag 2, inconsistent paint, a colorful warning. Mismatched shades or paint overspray could be hiding previous accidents and repairs. Red flag 3, unusual engine noises. The car's language, strange sounds during a test drive could signify underlying mechanical issues. Red flag 4, uneven tire wear. The tread of truth. Uneven tire patterns might indicate suspension or alignment problems. Red flag 5, smoky exhaust. A dark secret. Excessive smoke from the exhaust could signal engine troubles or poor maintenance. Red flag 6, wet interior. A damp surprise. Moisture inside the car may hint at leaks, potentially leading to mold and electrical issues. Red flag 7, inconsistent paperwork. The history lesson. Always check for a comprehensive service history and ensure the paperwork aligns with the seller's claims. Red flag 8, warning lights. The dashboard symphony. Persistent warning lights could indicate unresolved issues or electronic malfunctions. Red flag 9, shaky handling. A shaky foundation. If the car pulls to one side or has erratic steering, it could hint at suspension problems. Red flag 10, overheating engine. A heated affair. Keep an eye out for signs of overheating, as it may point to cooling system failures. Knowledge is your roadmap to a reliable car. Subscribe for more car buying tips, and let's drive together toward a smoother, safer buying experience.